What's going on, guys? Channel Rider NC. I wanted to show y'all something real quick. I know it's going to be a really short video, but yeah, it's a lot of people are interested in throwing these pod lights on their bikes, and I just kind of wanted to. I guess it's a warning. These things are super bright. I mean, that's great for when you need to see, but it's kind of dangerous for other people on the road. That's why I've got mine kind of pointed where it's at. This is an adjustable light. Tilt it whichever way I want, but I've got this thing pointed all the way down because yeah, let me see here. Let me get it turned on. Yeah, that is very, it's bright in my garage right now, and that's how bright that light is. And I'm just gonna show you how I did it real quick. Sorry if y'all saw my feet, these long toes, but this is how it works. All right, with this light, Alpina, it's from Walmart, and I think I paid like 28 bucks for it. You can find them cheaper, I know, but yeah, I was just kind of tired of not being able to see it. And I switched to this light right here, which is actually pretty bright itself. It's like a ice light, but it's, you can tell, pod light's still brighter. So yeah, that's something to think about. But what this is I picked up this switch right here. I still need to finish, actually find a place to keep this switch at, but this is just for now. But I'll show y'all what it looks like on the inside of that switch. And that is right there. I need to seal this up, y'all. Y'all don't want to have something like this and get rain on your bike, but just so y'all have an idea of how it works. All right, so you have positive and you have ground. You have a red wire and you got a black wire with this light, and this is just kind of for all wiring. So if you don't know, just make sure that you pay attention to this. Basically, you've got your positive wire, which is my red wire, which you can see down here, actually, that one red wire going straight to my battery. You don't have to do this, but it's always a good thing to color code your wires. So positive and negative, positive being red, negative being ground, black. Sorry, guys. Negative is going to be called ground as well. But what's crazy is on these China bikes, ground is always green. But yeah, customary stuff, it's always going to be black. And running that straight down to the negative side of my battery, or you could run into a ground on the bike. Since I put it on a toggle switch, it didn't really matter to me whether I did it to a ground or to there, because the toggle switch completely shuts off the ground, shuts off the connection. But yeah, positive ran straight to the battery, ran my toggle switch on the off side, on the ground side. So basically whenever this switch is on, it's now making contact with the ground. When I turn the switch off, inside of the switch stops making contact with the ground, and it now has no circuit going through it. So yep, that's how that works, and hopefully this helps somebody. I actually mounted this to the bottom of, see here, it's just like that, and it's that simple. But yeah, it works great. Goodness gracious, I can see for a quarter mile now at nighttime. So yeah, it's been great, y'all. So that's I put this on about 2 days ago, I think, and yeah, I love it. It's I don't think it's ever gonna come off. But y'all are awesome, and if y'all have any questions, feel free to reach out. Talk to y'all soon.